Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today work on a 10-inch pipe wrench. Not sure, I think it is Ridgid, and it's got some pretty heavy rust on it, but it's a good size. These are just handy to have. So I want to take it apart, and then I was going to put it in Vaporust, but I got some other stuff sitting in Vaporust, so I'm just going to rough clean this with wire wheel. I'm wondering if the spring's any good. I think the spring's still in here, still good. Yeah. I just can't remember how to get this part out. It's been a while. I think it's got a clip here. I gotta get underneath that clip. Right? Right. I think there's a spring on this side. Well, maybe. So, lifting up. Well, there it is. Now, if I can get this, should be a spring on this side, and this thing should lift out. I'm having a hard time seeing what I want to grab here. See if this will come out. Come on, come on. And there's the spring. See? Hang on. There's a spring in that hole, right? Let's see if I can get it on the camera. Whoa, right there. That spring goes in that hole. And then this part goes on the other side here. Down in there. And that's what keeps it kind of in place. Man, this thing's nasty. All right, let's go to the wire wheel, do some cleaning. This I'm gonna put on the magnet so I don't lose it. Go to the wire wheel. All right. The Ridgid company uses a powder coat, and it's awesome. I like it. It's heavy duty, but it will not last forever. It's one of those things that you've got to take care of your tools. You just can't let them submerge in water and leave them like that all the time. They will get dirty. Anyways, I got a brass brush here. I'm just going to clean the inside. See the dirt coming out? Look at that. You got to take care of your tools sometime. Come on, people. You get a kick out of people and their tools. I know a guy that has a work truck, field truck. He's got more dents in his truck, but the dents are going out. Their dents aren't in. It's stuff rolling around in the inside of the van from side to side, and he's got dents pushing out. He just throws things in there. Oh my God, nasty. See how anybody could work like that. Probably what I should do is stick some steel wool on a drill bit and just run a drill down in through here. Yeah, it works okay. It's pretty clean. It's actually gonna be a nice little wrench. Nice little wrench. I forgot to put this on the wire wheel and this. I need to clean these two up. You finish cleaning this up, maybe we can put it back. Well, I need to paint it. Normally I use bed liner material, but on this one I'll probably just use red. Just paint it red. Paint. All the paint is a protective coating. On the bigger ones I use that bed liner material. I like it on my pipe wrenches. It's durable. It lasts a long time. But this one will be used mostly in under sink, small areas. So mostly clean environment. So, and I'm not taking all the dings and dents out of it. I just wanted to get the rust off of it and protect it. Jaws are in good shape too. Anyway, let me finish cleaning this up, go to paint. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna go ahead and shoot this with some red paint. I cleaned it really good, wiped it down with some carburetor cleaner. You can tell somebody used it as a hammer. Anyways, it's at least I got all the rust pits, got it down really clean, looks good. And all I'm gonna do is, this is my favorite color, Sunrise Red. It's equivalent Porsche Indian Red, 1977 color. That's what I like. I painted a couple motorcycles back in the day with Porsche Indian Red. Anyways, I'll give these a couple coats. I got some others that I use that Rhino liner. I do like the Rhino liner. But yeah, just something different, make it look nice. Yeah, I don't know, change my mind. What can I say? It's still really good wrench. It's gonna be in real good shape when I get done. All right, I'll be right back. All right, you can see where I hung it. It's still got a mark where the wire was. Oh well, it doesn't matter. Got to put it back together. The trick is getting this thing in there. So I'm going to get some grease right here. I'm going to grease where that spring goes. I'm going to put a little grease where that slide fits in that groove. And what I got to do is I got to put this groove in there. I got to put this spring. I don't know if you guys see how. I got to put that in there, in that slot. Hang on a second, I'm trying to see. Once I get it in there, I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay. See that spring's in that slot. Then I got to push this in there and push the spring down as I push this in. So I've got to come under here. Ah, the spring popped out. That's the hard part. I have problems with this all the time, putting these back together. Getting that pressed down and pushing this in there at the same time is just tricky as all get out. Yeah. Let's see if I can push the spring and grab it with the screwdriver. Nope. Well, I'm trying, ladies and gentlemen. If I can push just a little harder right there. Let's see if I can get another screwdriver down in there. Press down. Got it. What I did is I pressed down on the spring while pushing this clip in there. I wish I could show it clearer. There's really no way. And then this goes down in there. Put this like this. There you go. I got me a nice, clean, non-rusty, almost good as new. I mean, the teeth, look at the teeth on these. I didn't have to sharpen, didn't have to do nothing to the teeth on these, which is awesome. Sometimes you have to take a file and clean them up because they're so beat up. This one was just covered in rust. It had some deep rust, and somebody abused it. You can see with the hammer marks on it. But overall, I got me a nice wrench for, I don't know what I got. I don't even remember where I got this thing. I'm pretty sure this is something, I got like 60 cents in this. Check that out. A little bit of old spray paint that I had. It's not as good as the original powder coating, I know, but it's still protective. Normally I coat these with that truck bed liner material. I like it on my pipe wrenches just because it has good grip and it's durable. But you can do paint. I mean, look at here, guys. It's a good used tool. Probably on the next one I do, I'm probably going to blue one of these. I didn't blue this time, but that's probably what I should have done. But it's clean. It's good usable wrench. It works. I got maybe 60 cents in this thing. Tell me that ain't a good buy. I don't know what a 10-inch Ridgid pipe wrench cost. And this is one of the early ones because it says Ridgid, the Ridgid Tool Company, Ellery, Ohio. I can't pronounce that. Sorry, guys. USA. Good tool, ladies and gentlemen. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. Tell me what you think. I think it was worth it. It's definitely worth the time for me because this will get used. Turned out to be a really nice wrench. The only problem you can see where I hung it on the wire, you know, most people won't care. They'll see that and won't know it. But this is my tool. My tools, my rules. My rules is I don't like loaning tools out, and if I do loan a tool out, it's a junk. It's something that I don't mind disappearing. This one here, it'll go in my toolbox at work, and I will use this thing. This thing is the 8-inch and the 6-inch. I find myself using those, especially under some of the commercial cabinets. I don't know, if some of the heavy metal, old style metal cabinets, the way they mount the sinks in them, it's a chore to get in there to bust those faucets loose. Anyways, that's enough talking. Ladies and gentlemen, tell me what you think. Subscribe if you like. My channel's nothing but old junk tools, bringing them back to a good usable condition. And prime example. Y'all have a good day.